Yeah, this is them batteries that I got. So I just that trade outlet place. So I seen a little box on the top shelf. Had a quick look and seen it said replacement batteries. Apparently 45 quid, but they were on there for 5.72. But got them back, and one of them wasn't working, powering on or anything. Yeah, so I just cracked open that fake 5.5 amp hour battery, and it looks like it's just got hot and burnt that lead off. So if I'm really lucky, I can clean that up and solder it back on, and we're back in business. So yeah, let's just grab a soldering iron and some solder and a bit of flux. Switch that on, get it lit. There we go, that'll do. Before it wasn't coming on showing charge indicator or anything, now it's showing. Right, so now back together. Working battery.